Hello student, how are you? I am thinking that you have revised all your works of account as well as stat with COVID-19 and with lockdown. All are free for 24 hours at your home. So I think that all are revised chapter of account and as well as chapter of stat. Okay. In previous video we have to study what types of account. Okay, we have discussed main 3 type of account. Now think which 3 type of account? Yes, personal account, real account, and third is nominal account. Okay, now think which account are included in personal account. Okay, have you remember? I have explained this type of account in previous lecture by draw a tabulation. I will draw a tabulation and I have explained 3 type of account and which account are included in these three types: personal, real and nominal. We have already discussed how many accounts are included in personal account. 6 accounts are included in personal account. Now think which 6 accounts are included in personal account. First, natural person. Okay. Second, owner's account. But owner has a 2 account. First is capital, second is drawing. Third, any firm. Fourth, any bank. Fifth, any company. And sixth, any institute. Okay. Now, second type of account, real account. Which account are included in real account? Okay. In real account, two types of account are included in real account. Now, which 2 types? Yes. First is assets and second is goods account. First assets account and second goods account. If you forgot, you will see my previous video. Okay, so data is coming in your mind. In assets account, 2 type of assets are included in business. Which 2 type? First, non-current assets or fixed assets. Second, current assets. Okay, those assets are stable in business for more than 1 year, so it is called non-current assets or fixed assets. Those assets are not stable in business for less than 1 year. It is known as current assets. Current assets means fluctuation. Those assets are comes in the business and goes out from the business. Okay. Second, goods account. Goods account have purchase account, sales account, purchase return, sales return. Okay. Now, third type of account. Third type of account is nominal account. Nominal account has two parts: expenses and income. Which expenses are included in nominal account? Revenue expenditure. Yes, revenue expenditure are included in nominal account. So, what is meaning of revenue expenditure? We will pay day by day expenses or month by expenses or year by expenses. It is known as revenue expenditure, like salary, advertisement, stationery expenses, electricity bill, rent paid, all are expenses. So those accounts are included in nominal account. And nominal account have a second part, also including income. Income also included in nominal account. Which income are generated from business? So interest received, commission received, brokerage received, okay, etc. Today we will continue identification of types of account. The chapter name is dual effect of transactions and types of account. At present, we are discussing types of account. Okay? If you will ask Gujarat University account, Gujarat University account. Now think, Gujarat University is which type of account? Personal account or real account or nominal account? We will write this answer, types of account, here. Okay? And explanation or reason we will write here. Okay? So, I have discussed already. Gujarat University is the institute. Gujarat University is the institute. Okay? So Gujarat University has called which type of account? Personal account. So we write types of account, personal account. What is reason for Gujarat University are included in personal account? So reason, legal, artificial, person. Okay? Gujarat University means any firm, any company, any bank and any institute. All are called as legal artificial person. So it is included in personal account. Okay? Second, Ramesh bhai account. Okay, Ramesh bhai account. Now think, Ramesh bhai account. Which type of account? Personal or real or nominal? So easy. Ramesh bhai are included in personal account. Why Ramesh bhai are included in personal account? Reason is natural person. Natural person. Ramesh bhai is not a legal artificial person, but Ramesh bhai is a natural person. Okay, so Ramesh bhai is natural person, so it is included in personal account. Okay. Now machinery account. It is name of account. Look here. This is name of account and this is type of account. It is a question and these are our answer. Okay. In this type of question, you will given this different name and you will write in against of answer which type of account, personal or real or nominal, and also you will explain reason. Okay. Now think, machinery account. Machinery account is which type of account? Is machinery, personal account, real account or nominal account? You are think. So machinery is a real account. Okay. Why machinery account is a real account? Because it is our non-current assets or fixed assets. So we will write here fixed assets in short and simple. Fixed assets for business or another words, non-current assets for business. So machinery account is called real account, or machinery account is included in real account. Okay. Now fourth, salary account. Salary account. Now you are think, okay, salary account is which type of account? Personal, real or nominal? What is answer? The answer is salary account is included in nominal account. Salary account is not personal account, not real account, but salary account is a nominal account. What is reason for salary account is included in nominal account? So reason is it is our expenses, or you will write another word, salary is business expenses. Okay, all expenses are included in nominal account. Okay, number 5. World famous name, Reliance Limited account. Reliance Limited account. Now think, Reliance Limited account is which type of account? So we will write Reliance Limited account is a personal account. Why Reliance Limited is a personal account? Because it is legal artificial person. So we will write reason legal artificial person. Okay. Now number 6. Billing account. Which type of this account? Which type of this account? Personal account or real account or nominal account? Is billing, my question for you, is billing is natural person? No. Owner's account? No. Is it company? No. Is it firm? No. Is it any bank? No. Is it any institute? No. Billing is our fixed assets. Okay. So first we will write reason and after explain type of account. So billing account, fixed assets for business. Okay, so it is included in real account. Okay, today it is enough for our study. Okay, I think you will show my previous video. Okay, so your funda is better clear. Okay, thank you and take care.